Hey guys, welcome. My name is Army, and I'm going to show you how to do the splits and birds of paradise poses. I usually start off by warming up the body by doing a few jumping jacks to get the blood flow going, and also to tell my body that I'm about to do some, really active workout. The blood's going, the heat's rising. So once I feel that my body is warm enough, I relax, still keeping the breath going. I come down to a low lunge position, untuck my left foot down. Let me go the other way, show you guys. Untuck my left foot and start to stretch my left quads, opening up as much as I can. On every breath, I slowly, making sure my right leg is straight, my ankles and my knees perpendicular to each other. I can either sit like this or take it further, bring my elbows onto the mat. Long, deep breaths. With a smile still. That's the hard part. I can still sit like this, or I can plant my left palm onto the mat, slightly turn towards my right side. On my inhalation, lift up the left leg to further stretch the left quad. To get flexibility and flexible strength, I'm somewhat pushing my left foot onto my right leg. Slightly, just a slight push to give it that tension. And tension creates flexibility. You can take your stretch a little bit further by placing your left elbow onto the mat and bring your right leg, and bring your left ankle towards your left glute. Slowly release, gracefully releasing. There you go. Tuck the left foot under, straighten out the right leg, come onto your ankles, take your right palm, place it on the balls of your right foot, have a straight back. On your exhalation, fold forward. Not too much, just enough to get that stretch. Still keeping the breath active and moving. Now the splits is also a good way to roll into your birds of paradise. It fits perfectly right afterwards. Now when you're ready, still keeping the left foot tucked under, slowly calm down. Still keeping the breath going, still breathing. There you go. On every exhalation, drop a little down further. There you go. Yeah. Release if you want. Still keeping the breath rolling. Once you're ready, slowly, actively come up. No rush. There you go. Inhale and release. Now we're going to try and we will do our birds of paradise. Come up to your downward dog. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, bring your legs to low lunge and bring your left knee onto the mat. Take your right arm, bring it under your right leg, And now take your left arm, still balancing yourself, active core. Take your left arm, wrap it around your back, and clasp your fingers together. Now this is a good balancing point. You're gonna slowly walk your left leg towards your right foot to come into a slight bend stand position. Now catch your balance, bring your strength onto your left leg and release the weight off your right leg. When you feel comfortable, pick a focal point onto your mat and slowly come up. Active left foot, strong. Opening up the shoulders back. You can either stay like this, right? Look forward this time, or you can bring the right leg all the way high to the sky as much as you can. This is good enough for you if you want, or you can go all the way.